Student, here you can see the nitrogen cycle, and you know the 78% nitrogen present in the atmosphere, and the nitrogen fixing is done by two process, which is first is lightning is a very rare situation, and but the main situation, the nitrogen fixing bacteria, which is blue green algae, and rhizobium, which is fix the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound, and these nitrogenous compound substance mix into the soil, okay, which is assimilated by the plants take nitrogen from the soil, and when they grown up they bear fruits. The fruits contain proteins, okay, and as you know that we depend upon the plants for food, we and animals depend upon the plants for food, animals and we consume food from the plants, okay, and when the animals excrete the waste and when they die, the dead body of animals again decomposed and it mix into the soil. Obviously the microorganism decompose the body of the animals, and the body of the animals decompose into the soil means nitrogenous waste again decompose through the nitrifying bacteria, and which is mixed into the soil again, and from the soil the denitrifying bacteria helps the nitrogenous compound into nitrogen gas from the soil. I mean to say, from the soil the nitrogenous substances are present in the soil, and the denitrifying bacteria converted to the nitrogenous substance into the nitrogen gas, okay, and after that the nitrogen gas released into the atmosphere. So this is the whole process, okay, and you can see here the role of the plants, the role of the animals, and the most important role is microorganisms, okay, means microorganisms play the most important role in this cycle, they running the cycle. So the percentage of this gas, the nitrogen gas, always it is maintained. So the nitrogen is the rotating from the atmosphere to the soil and the soil to the atmosphere. So this nitrogen cycle is in which plants, animals and microorganisms are the part of this nitrogen cycle, okay. You can see the plants also part of this cycle, you can see the animals also part of this cycle, and microorganisms which play very important role, okay. So the wonderful mechanisms, the nitrogen is rotated, which is operated by the microorganisms. So we can appreciate how these microorganisms are helping in the nature.